everyone, my name is Ashlyn and I've been spending a lot of time in the kitchen recently with my family and sometimes we just want something sweet. So today I'm going to teach you how to make edible cookie dough. So let's get into the ingredients. So first you are going to need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk. Next, everybody's favorite part, 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Finally, you are going to need a bowl to put all your ingredients in. First, you're going to add the flour to the bowl. Then you are going to add your melted butter. Then the brown sugar. Next, the white sugar. The vanilla extract. Then add your milk. Now before adding the chocolate chips, you're going to mix together, and you can also use your hands, and the dough should look something like this. Finally, you're going to add your chocolate chips and mix it together once again. Finally, your cookie dough should look something like this. I hope you all enjoy it and stay safe.